Hey guys, I was at the airport today and a mechanic buddy of mine was cleaning some spark plugs, and it's kind of an interesting process. The aviation spark plugs are different than ones you find in cars, and there's a couple of machines that they use. I just thought I'd show you a quick little video of the process that your mechanic may use, if he's got the right equipment, to clean and gap and prep your spark plugs. They usually do this at the annual at least, unless they get too dirty in between. So check it out. Hope it's interesting to you. Get a shot of this. Clean one. All right, so we clean that out. Yeah.
And
All right, into the machine.
put it in the machine. Abrasive blast first.
Okay.
Then an air blast.
All right, take a look at that now. What did that do to it?
Well,
Oh, that got quite a bit cleaner.
yeah, we're going to clean it with this again because it loosened up all of that oil that was in there. And then we'll see how it burns. We'll do this. Clean the thread.
All right.
See all the black stuff.
Oh yeah. So that cleans out the inside, all the lead fouling.
So we go in here, there, there, and this is the feeler gauge actually
Okay.
that you use, like this. Just a little bit of pressure like that, and if you can lift it like that, you're in good shape.
All right.
So.
So that gaps both sides simultaneously, right?
Yeah, it does. And we're going to have to blast this again because it's not clean enough.
Okay.
So we go like that. That's looking pretty good.
Yep.
So
Now we plug that into there.
well, we
Check the electricity.
we have to clean off the threads.
Okay. Oh, so it goes in better? Abrasive blast, air blast, and now we're gonna check, what are we checking? How the electricity's flowing through it?
We're creating a spark.
Okay.
There's a regular coil in here in the machine. You don't want to grab this and press the button.
Right.
And then you go like that, and like this, and you should see
Get a
it.
shot of the
You
spark
see it
in
in
there.
the mirror?
Oh yeah, so you can see how it's performing, huh?
Yeah, and I'm doing like 135 pounds of pressure, and it's firing on both sides.
Gotcha. Okay. Is that the whole thing?
That's it.
Take a look at the finished product now, how clean it is compared to what it was.
So
Oh yeah, that looks, see if I get the focus right. That looks way better. That is clean, and here's the difference. We got the dirty one before, and here's the afters. Nice and shiny.